Hi and welcome back everyone. This is Chris Kalinich and I am doing a review of the plant-based meal delivery service Splendid Spoon, and I'm doing it here in the Plant to Platter kitchen. And this time I was standing before in front of my fridge, but this time I'm standing by my microwave. And why is that? Because I am trying one of their actual meals. Splendid Spoon provides over 50 meals that you can choose from and design how you would like to eat and have them delivered to you, how frequently. And if you want to know the complete review, my complete opinion and honest review, you can find it at planttoplatter.com. Just go to the resources tab at the top and look for the plant-based meal delivery service review on Splendid Spoon. So let's go ahead and get started, because what's important to me whenever I taste anything, whether it's in a restaurant or something that I prepare myself, or if I'm trying and reviewing a plant-based meal delivery service, is the all-important factor of taste. Now, it needs to be convenient and it needs to be healthy. And so I tend to gravitate towards plant-based meal delivery services that really use plants at the top of their ingredient list. And so let me get my glasses on and read you what I'm going to be trying. The ingredients from the vegetable bolognese grain bowl. Now, on the ingredients, first and foremost, tomatoes, water, mushrooms, quinoa, wild rice, shiitake mushrooms, onion, organic celery, organic carrots, pumpkin seeds, etc., etc. So real ingredients that I recognize. And I will let you know that I warmed up as they suggested. They suggest 2 to 4 minutes. And, you know, I think that works well. This is what I want to show you is I warmed it up in a glass dish. You can warm it up directly in the plastic container. They do say all their packaging is BPA free, but I prefer to use a glass bowl. And I am going to be using, because it's Splendid Spoon, and they say to spoon it up or sip their wonderful smoothies, I'm going to use a spoon and try this vegetable bolognese green bowl and let you know what I think. I'm going to take one more bite. I do like it. What I would say is it's a little thin, on the thin side for me. I would like to actually have maybe a little bit more grains in there. However, that's something you can add yourself. The taste is very reminiscent of a true bolognese. It very fresh on the tomato side, and I do taste the herbs that they're using, but it's not overly spicy. And for a lot of people, that is truly a wonderful thing. What I like about this, that I could add to this, is because it is rather, what I'd say, more soupy than like a true grain bowl is what I envision, is I would add some additional vegetables, like maybe broccoli or something that makes it heartier and gives it a little bit more chew. That's my personal opinion. However, the taste overall is yummy. Now, what I also like about this, just so you know, what I'm eating is really 2 servings. So I would tend to eat probably this whole thing for lunch or dinner myself, but let you know that there is 160 calories per serving. So it's really only 320 calories, and I get 14 grams of protein when I eat both servings. So I think that's truly remarkable. And, you know, obviously no cholesterol. That's the good thing about plant-based eating. And there's no added sugars. Dietary fiber, I would get 6 grams total for both servings. And so I think that's, you know, a win-win for convenience, for taste. I would probably say I would eat this for lunch or dinner myself. So find out my whole review, what I think of everything, you know, regarding the company and working with the company, and what I think of the majority of all the items that I tasted. Go to planttoplatter.com, resources tab, look for the Splendid Spoon review. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful and marvelous day.